Found an error after payroll was submitted. Don't panic. Fixing discrepancies in ADP is a standard process using corrections or reversals. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to handle it. The method depends on the error and timing. For the current, unprocessed payroll, simply go back in and edit the hours or pay items. For a payroll that has already been paid, you likely need to process a payroll correction or reversal in the next pay cycle. This involves creating an offsetting adjustment to correct net pay. For example, if you underpaid someone, add a positive adjustment. If you overpaid, you might add a negative adjustment, following state laws, or deduct overpayment over future checks. My crucial pro tip: document the why. Always add a clear, descriptive memo on the adjustment line explaining the reason for the correction, e.g., correct missed overtime from pay period 10/15. This creates an audit trail in the payroll record. That's your systematic approach to maintaining flawless payroll records, even when fixing mistakes. Have you ever had to do a payroll reversal? What was the reason? Share your story below. For more guides that help you solve real problems, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.